All right, boys and girls. So this week we're going to continue working with perimeter, but instead of it being just rectangles that we're working on and finding the perimeter of, we are going to be finding the perimeter of irregular shapes. For instance, this is an irregular hexagon. We're going to start off the same way we did last week. So do you remember what that is? That is where we're going to find one of the question marks. Let's say this one that has a vertical line. And we're going to take the other vertical lines. Here's a 9 centimeter here and a 3 centimeter here. And if we think of this, this is the whole and a part and another part. Well, when we know a whole and a part and we want to find the other part, we subtract. So that means that we would take 9 minus 3, and this right here, this question mark, would be 6 centimeters. Okay, so that's the same as last week. The other part that's the same as last week is we're going to find one that's going in a different direction. This one is horizontal, left to right. So we're going to find the other horizontal lines, in this case, 12 centimeters and 5 centimeters. So this 12 is the longest piece, so that would be our whole. This 5 is a part, and this question mark is the other part. So when we're looking for a part, we're going to take the whole and one of the parts and subtract. So that would be 9 minus 5, which would give us 7 centimeters. So this question mark right here is 7 centimeters. All right. So now we're just like you did in 3rd grade. We can't technically use the formula 2 times length plus 2 times width gives us perimeter on this one because it's not a rectangle. That works for rectangles. This is not a rectangle. So you're going to do what you did in 3rd grade. You're going to take all of these sides on the outside. I'm going to choose to start here at 9, and you're going to add them all together. Now, sometimes when you're adding a bunch of numbers, like here's 6 numbers we're going to have to add together. As you add them, I would cross them off. I'm not going to do it here, but as you add each one, like you put the 9, then I would cross off the 9 over here, and then do plus the 5, plus 6, plus 7. Now, I added all of mine up at once. I probably wouldn't suggest this for you, but for time's sake and me making these, it would be easier for you, I think, to take 2 sides like 9 and 5 and get your sum. Sum is the answer you get when you add. And then add in your 6, find that sum, and continue adding on a number as you go on. But when I did all of this, I found that the perimeter is 42 centimeters. So to review, we started off right here, just like we did last time, finding the missing sides. And then it's just like you're back in 3rd grade. You're going to take up all the sides and add them together.